Hey guys, if you're getting the error, this experience is unavailable due to your account settings in Roblox Mobile, then keep watching as in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix this. So you can see right now I'm trying to join a Roblox experience, and when I click on the play button it just says this experience is unavailable. Now this is due to the privacy settings on your account. So in order to fix this you need to head over to the Roblox application, and from here click on the More button in the bottom right hand side. Then scroll down and select Settings, click on Parental Controls, and then scroll down to Allowed Experiences. Now in order to be able to join any Roblox experience, you need to make sure this option here is set to 17+. Now if you have a PIN code on your account, you'll need to just enter this in here. Obviously if you had a guardian set up the account for you, then they'll need to enter this 4-digit PIN. So once you've changed this setting to allow you to join experiences for 17+, if we then head back over to the Roblox experience, you can see now the play button appears and we can now join any experience. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.